I have been scrolling for 3 hours. My brain feels so heavy and empty.
Leo, are you still being a couch potato? You look completely exhausted.
I haven't even moved my body today, but I feel completely mentally drained. Why is that?
That is what we call brain rot, Leo. It happens when your mind gets lazy and tired from consuming too much junk content. What about you watching this? Have you ever felt this tired after scrolling on social media? Let me know in the comments.
But I was just reading the news. I kept seeing negative stories, and I could not stop looking at them.
That habit is called doomscrolling. You keep reading negative news, which makes your mood terrible, but you cannot stop.
Exactly! My body is just sitting here, but my brain feels like it just ran a marathon. I am so stressed.
Because your brain is overstimulated, Leo. It is receiving too much fast information, colors, and sounds all at once.
Do you ever feel mentally drained even when you rest all day? It is the worst feeling ever, right?
And the worst part? Watching too many short videos destroys your attention span. You cannot focus on long tasks anymore.
Oh no! That explains why I cannot read a book for more than 5 minutes. Mia, how do I fix my brain?
You need a real break. Come with me. Let's leave this screen behind and cure your brain rot.
Wow, I forgot we even had this beautiful garden. It smells like fresh dirt and sunlight.
Welcome to my hobby corner. Here, we do not hide from the world. We actually recharge our brains.
But Mia, isn't watching funny videos on my phone a way to relax too? It helps me forget my stress.
That is not relaxation, Leo. That is escapism. You are just running away from reality, which leaves you more tired. Real hobbies, like gardening or painting, actually charge your mental battery. They give your brain real energy. Tell me in the comments, what is a real hobby that gives you energy? I would love to read about it.
Actually,
Feeling this soil in my hands is quite nice. My mind feels much quieter now.
That is because you are starting to lose yourself in something. You focus deeply and completely forget your phone.
I did it! It only took 15 minutes, but I feel like I actually achieved something today.
Exactly. Just 15 minutes of a small hobby can truly breathe life into your day.
Look at this! No more doom scrolling for me. I am officially breathing life into my day. How about you guys?
You know, Leo, hobbies are amazing. But what if we combine them with learning English? You see, Leo, learning English does not have to be a boring task. You can blend it perfectly with your hobbies.
Blend it with my hobbies? Won't that just make my relaxing time feel exactly like doing stressful homework?
Not at all. We are completely removing the pressure. You focus on the fun activity, and the language just follows naturally. For example, if you love to cook or bake, start watching your favorite food recipes entirely in English.
oh,
So while I am busy adding sugar and flour, I am naturally picking up the vocabulary without even trying to memorize it.
Hey viewers, what is your absolute favorite food to make? Have you ever tried following an English recipe for it?
Wait, what about video games? I play online multiplayer games for hours. Can I use English there too?
Absolutely! You can join international English-speaking communities. You will learn real, natural conversation while completing exciting missions.
Watch out behind you. Heal me, quick! Wow, I would learn fast reaction words because I actually want to win the match. Calling all gamers. What is the coolest English slang word you have learned from playing video games? Drop it in the comments below.
Even for quieter hobbies like photography or journaling, you can challenge yourself to write your daily photo captions in English.
Let me try right now. I just took a picture of this apple. Now, let's write. A healthy snack for a fresh mind.
That is brilliant, Leo. See? When you connect the language to something you genuinely care about, it becomes completely alive. Now that we know how to use English for fun, it is time for our magical word tour to review what we learned today.
A word tour? I love tours. My mind is completely recharged and ready to lock in these new phrases.
Let's remember the bad habits first. Brain rot is that heavy, lazy feeling in your head after consuming too much useless online content.
And doomscrolling. That is the terrible habit of endlessly reading negative news, which makes you feel sad but you cannot stop.
Exactly. This damages your attention span. That means you lose your ability to focus on long, important tasks like reading.
Which leaves you completely mentally drained. Your mind feels entirely out of energy, even if your physical body was resting all day.
And the result is becoming a couch potato.
Oh no!
Someone who just lies on the sofa all day staring at glowing screens.
We have all been couch potatoes at some point, right? Which of these words describes how you felt recently? Let us know in the comments.
Listen carefully, everyone. Escaping these bad habits does not require a huge, difficult lifestyle change. All you need is to pick one small hobby that you genuinely love. Spend just 15 minutes a day completely lost in it.
Put your phone in another room. It will truly breathe life into your day and make your mind feel beautifully alive again. Are you going to start a new hobby today? Promise us you will step away from the screen for just 15 minutes.
Thank you so much for joining our journey today. Keep exploring your passions and keep practicing English. Bye.
I am gonna check on my new flower now. Have a wonderful, brain-healthy day. Bye-bye.
Bye.